Kongjom Day 2020 was celebrated today at Kongjom War Memorial Complex in Thoubal district simply with just floral tributes to the heroes of Anglo-Manipur War 1891. N. Biren, the Chief Minister of Manipur, and other leaders offered tarpon in the Kongjom Turil and also paid floral tributes to the statues of Kongjom War heroes, including Pona Brajabasi at K. Buching. A team of 3rd IRB sounded the last post to honor the martyrs. Chief Minister N. Biren during the function urged everyone to maintain social distancing norms to fight the challenge posed by the deadly COVID-19 pandemic. Chief Secretary, DGP and several ministers were also present at the event. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC today celebrated Kongjom Day 2020 during a small function at Congress Bhavan located at BT Road, Imphal. The PCC leaders paid rich floral tribute to the photograph of Pona Brajabasi on the occasion by following government advisories. The number of coronavirus disease patients reached 21,393 today and fatalities rose to 681, according to Union Health Ministry data. India now has 16,454 active cases and the number of people who have been cured stands at 4,257. The Health Ministry's dashboard showed at 8 am. Maharashtra reported 6,710 cases of the coronavirus disease, including 789 discharged patients and 269 deaths. Gujarat has now become the second worst hit state with 2,407 active cases and Delhi follows with 2,248 infections. Under the supervision of Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar, relief materials like essential food items were distributed to residents of Iroi Semba under Uripok constituency at the doorstep. Iten Computerized Eye Testing and Eye Care Center today distributed sunglasses to personnel of Kongjom Police Station, Hairok Police Station, Nongpok Sekmai Police Station, Pechi Police Outpost, Yaripok Police Station and Khetri Lekai VDF Post. U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo said that the United States has called on China to permanently close its wildlife wet markets, citing links between those markets and zoonotic diseases. The new coronavirus is believed to have emerged in a market in the central Chinese city of Wuhan late last year. It has spread around the world, killing over 180,000 people and infecting over 2.6 million, according to media reports. Most states in the U.S. South and Midwest signaled readiness to reopen their economies in hope the worst of the coronavirus pandemic had passed. But California's governor held firm to sweeping stay-at-home orders and business closures. According to a media report, the patchwork of still evolving orders across the 50 states meant some Americans were still confined indefinitely to their homes, unable to work, while others began to venture out for the first time in weeks.